How to make a NetSpend account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in netspend.com and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, netspend.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of sign up now. Go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. First up, you'll need to type in the email address over here to get started. After you type in, click on this option of get started. Now you have to go ahead and fill this, provide all the details. Type in your first name, last name, email address, street address, zip code, and phone number. After you type in all the details, now choose your card and then scroll down and then click on sign up. You will be directed to another page where you will need to create the password and username for your account, and once you do that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily register for a NetSpend account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.